Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that is crucial for anyone considering a home renovation: how to determine your renovation budget. Setting a budget is the foundation of a successful renovation project, and I'm here to guide you through it. If you're new here, I'm Bobby Moore and I have 30 years of experience in real estate, specializing in renovating, rehabbing, and new construction. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about why setting a budget is so important. A well-planned budget helps you avoid overspending and ensures that your renovation project goes smoothly. Without a budget, it's easy to get carried away with all the exciting possibilities, but this can lead to financial stress and unfinished projects. So, let's get started on how you can effectively determine your renovation budget, and you'll want to stay to the end where we share the number one point to pay attention to when deciding how much to spend on a home renovation. The first factor to consider is the current market value of your home. Generally, it is recommended to spend about 10 to 15% of your home's value on renovations. For example, if your home is worth $300,000, your renovation budget should be about $30,000 to $45,000. This ensures that you invest enough to enhance your home's value without over-improving the neighborhood. Now, I will say there's also the 30% rule, which says spend no more than 30% of your current appraised value. And that rule also allows for 15% of home renovation costs to be reserved for unexpected issues that might arise, what's called a contingency fund. So if you follow that rule, you end up spending about 25% of current appraised value. Now, if I haven't totally confused you, 10 to 25% of current value should be a reasonable number to spend on your renovations. Next question to think about: what is the scope of your renovation? Are you planning a minor update or a major remodel or a complete overhaul? Minor updates might include painting walls or updating fixtures. Major remodels could involve renovating kitchens or bathrooms. Complete overhauls might mean adding new rooms or changing the layout of your home. Each type comes with different costs, so it's essential to define your project scope clearly. Another important factor is the purpose of your renovation. Are you renovating for personal enjoyment or to increase resale value? If it's for personal enjoyment, you might prioritize features that improve the quality of life. If it's for resale value, focus on updates that appeal to potential buyers. Analyze the houses in your neighborhood and see what features they have compared to what you are planning. You don't want to overspend or overdevelop your home compared to others in the area, because it can affect the resale value negatively. How will you finance your renovation? There are several options available. One is using saved money, which ensures you don't incur debt. Home improvement loans can provide necessary funds but come with interest. A home equity line of credit, also called a HELOC, can be a flexible option. It's wise to consult with a financial planner or your tax person to understand the implications of each option. Next, consider whether you'll be doing some tasks yourself or hiring professionals. DIY projects can save money but require time and skill. And if you lack the skills now, it's not the time to gain them. The quality won't measure up to what professionals can do. Hiring professionals ensures quality work but comes at a higher cost. Weigh these options carefully based on your abilities and time availability. The quality of materials you choose will significantly impact your overall cost. High-end materials are more expensive but offer durability and aesthetic appeal. On the other hand, budget-friendly options can save money but may not last as long. A good strategy that I like to use is to balance between high-end and affordable materials based on where they will be used and their importance in my renovation. Always set aside a contingency fund like I mentioned above, about 10 to 20% of your budget for unexpected costs. Common unexpected expenses include structural issues discovered during demolition or permit fees that weren't initially considered. Planning for these surprises ensures they don't derail your project and cause additional stress during this time. Now, if you're looking to cut some costs, thorough planning before starting any work can save you significant money down the line. Really develop what you want to do, as well as the final results, in as much detail as possible. This will help you know your costs better, as well as get better pricing from contractors and vendors, since they can see that you have a clear plan of action and their prices will reflect that. Consult with designers or architects where needed. Be strategic when buying materials. Look for sales or use discount stores to find quality materials at lower prices. Comparing prices from multiple suppliers can also help you get the best deals. Our clients love our guide to saving thousands on their home remodel and renovation. It's included in our Renovation and Remodeling Toolkit course. Reusing existing materials where possible is another great way to cut costs. For example, if you're updating your kitchen, consider refinishing existing cabinets instead of replacing them entirely. Just add a brand new island in instead. Additionally, purchasing recycled or second-hand materials can provide substantial savings while being environmentally friendly. I found some gorgeous pedestal sinks that we repurposed at another home. Identify tasks that you can handle yourself without compromising quality. Painting walls or landscaping are examples of DIY projects that can save labor costs while achieving excellent results. Instead of hiring a general contractor for everything, consider hiring specialized contractors for specific tasks. For instance, hire an electrician for electrical work rather than a general contractor that will take on all the tasks. This approach often results in lower costs and higher quality work as long as you're up for managing the different contractors on your project. Focus on high-impact areas first if you're working within a tight budget. Areas like kitchens and bathrooms tend to offer the most significant return on investment. Less critical projects can be postponed if needed without compromising overall satisfaction with your renovation. If this all sounds overwhelming, don't worry. Our home renovation and remodeling toolkit and one-on-one coaching services are designed to help you manage renovations within budget efficiently. Our toolkit provides step-by-step guidance through every stage of the renovation process, making it smoother and more enjoyable. Let me share a couple of success stories from past clients who benefited from our program. Sarah from Chicago managed her kitchen remodel using our toolkit and saved over $10,000 by following our cost-cutting tips. Mike in San Francisco used our one-on-one coaching services for his bathroom renovation project. He stayed within budget while achieving professional-level results. These are just two examples among the many satisfied clients who've transformed their homes with our help. For those ready to take control of their home renovation projects confidently, check out our home renovation and remodeling toolkit. We got it in the links below. Oh, and before I forget, our number one tip on how much you should spend on a home renovation is this: never, ever, ever spend more than the average value of homes in your area. That would be your current loans or mortgages plus whatever you're planning on spending now. Just because you want that in-ground pool and extensive outdoor entertaining areas with fire pit doesn't mean that it will add enough value to your home to cover the expense. And over-improving or overspending can mean it's a long, slow climb to a break-even point in your home's value. I've had a family member that had to stay in their home 10 years before they could finally sell it for more than they had spent on it. I wouldn't want you to be in the same position. I'd love to hear from you. Leave comments below with any questions or experiences related to home renovations. Let's get a conversation going. And don't forget, subscribe now for more helpful videos like this one. Stay tuned as we continue sharing valuable tips and tricks, ensuring your successful home renovation improvement. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Until next time, happy renovating, everyone.
Ready to transform your home? Enroll in our renovation course today and start saving on your next project. Visit us at www.netgainrealestate.com.